And you'd be like, ooh. I'd be like, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so let's get into this.
You know. Damn, it's banging. You know. It's banging. Oh, banging.
Banging, you know, check it out. So in the title, if you see it in the title or on the thumbnail when I post it on my social media, this mashed potato right here is like half type of a rustic baked potato with a little bit of mash. So I kept the skin on and everything. I just washed the potato really good, put a little olive oil in it, wrapped it up, put it in the microwave, hit baked potato twice because it wants to know how many potatoes in there, and it cooks it perfect. Try it out if you haven't. Then I just put it in a bowl, excuse me. Tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon and a half of sour cream, salt, pepper, a little bit of what is that? Cayenne, is it cayenne pepper, I think? Some green onions. There you go. A little extra butter so it melts and looks all nice and pretty. Here's some basmati rice right here with a little bit of the steak gravy right here, and of course the New York strip right here, sliced up and ready to go. And yeah, and then I got right here, I got some horseradish. I was gonna do some spicy noodles, but I'll wait for the weekend or for another show. But I don't have to get up in the morning to go to work, so I'm like, these two as well are some wicked chips right here. The new spicy dill pickle. If you haven't tried these, try them. It's probably one of my favorite chips right now besides my Flamin' Hots. Then of course, you know, I got my cupcakes on deck. All right, but we're gonna get straight into it. And today's Pull Up is brought to you by both Bubbly and Kool-Aid. All right, so got a little glass of ice right here. And I just like to, there's no sugar in that drink, so I just like to hit just a little orange Kool-Aid love right there. That's all you got to do, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna do the Pull Up because you showed up. Right. This is actually strawberry, so that's a big fail on my part. I just looked at the color of the can and assumed it was you know. Anyway, I had this ice in this glass sitting in the freezer for like 2 hours while I showered and prepped. So it was good and cold. It's good and cold, dog. Okay, I'm hungry. You're about to eat. I got some hot sauce right here because you know. Oh, and I still have some of what's the old girl's name, man? Megan the Stallion. I got her little saucy sauce right here. Saucy sauce. The saucy sauce. Ooh, woo, woo. Anyway, love y'all, man. Good to see you back. Wow, happy Thursday or Friday, whatever this post. Cheers. Oh, that's fire. This will make a bomb. Some type of drink, adult beverage. All right, so I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little hot sauce around here, just like this, because you need some heat. And then I got the Meg the Stallion. This is not a Meg the Stallion mukbang at all. I just want to just kind of mess around with the sauce. I got the horseradish right there on deck, so I'll just put a, you know what, I'll pour it on when I need it. All right, let's try the steak. There's a nice piece. I've been eyeballing this piece. We'll try it just like this with a little hot sauce. All right, nice on the color right there. Cooked perfect. I can't wait to try these potatoes right here. Y'all know I love my steak. How long has it been since I did a steak milk? 6, 7 videos. All right, we'll use a spoon. Look at that. Nice and chunky. Oh man, I'm getting a citrus burst. I don't know from what. Try a little bit with the rice. This rice is so fragrant. Perfect. Here we're gonna go to thumb right here. I'm gonna dip this. Oh, it's a nice little bite right here too. Dip this in horseradish like that. I never would have thought I would have loved horseradish on steak so bad. So good. This is a smacking video right now. I don't care. Anyway, man, how's everybody doing, man? What's good? We got I don't really like to count the day that I'm working, but Thursday, Friday. See if I can get out there early Friday and come through and we kicking it, dog. I'm going live. Not on my regular mukbang channel. I'm going live for my gaming channel, of course. Give me a second here. Yep, going live from the gaming channel. Let's try this. Ooh, this is the fatty piece right here. Man, hold on. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Now respect it. Yeah. Shout out to them hot ones. They got the nice little fatty bit right there. I want to try the Magna Stallion on this one. Just a little bit. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Oh my God. Man, that gave it like a Asian twist right there. Your steak is 2 days, 48-hour fridge marinated. Simple seasoning. Hey, I knew I kept these sauces for a reason. I knew it. I just knew it. No, for real. This sauces. I wasn't expecting that. I was just gonna try and just be like, whatever. That sauce just changed the game right there. It's better on the steak than it is on her her whoop-de-whoop sandwich or whatever she calls it. super tender, but the outside, I try to get it crispy. And it came out so good. This sauce, bro, yo. I got another one right there too. How the homie Mark Williams get it? He'd be like, oh wow. Oh wow. It's so juicy. The juice is like running down my lip. Oh. Oh. Love that dude, man. Watch him every day. For years. Try the bubbly with Kool-Aid. Just a little bit of Kool-Aid. Ice cold. Oh, man. Really having a good time right now. I could just chill with food, man. I love to eat. Oh. Do I want that? Wow. Sorry, man. I'm reaching over the TV like that. Screen. Can't beat this bar. So I did want the noodles, but I had some leftover rice, and I was like, you know what? It's getting late, man. It's a late mukbang. So that's why I left the poll. I left the poll. I left the poll in my community tab for you guys to check out. So run on over there, Snoopy's 408 on YouTube. Click on the community tab and go over there and check out my poll. Let me know what you think. Will I drop the steak video tonight or it's late tomorrow? Well, I already know what I'm going to do. I just want to see what you guys want. But I kind of was looking at it like it's late. I got 2 hours to kick it, and that's even pushing it because it's really late. Hey Google, what time is it?
11:34 p.m.
11:34 p.m. So I should either be sleeping right now or in another 15-20 minutes headed toward my bed. Run through the internet on my phone for a bit. It's mainly YouTube. Until I pass out, right? But I know me, as soon as I finish this, about 20 minutes after, I'm gonna demolish them cupcakes. I feel sorry for them cupcakes, guy. I feel sorry for them cupcakes. It's done, skis. So I'm gonna be in my bed, like on the side, my phone like this, one hand, bust open the wrapper, smash the whole one down, chase it with some ice cold water. I'm telling you, man, I know myself really good. And I have no shame. I love my food, especially when I take my time and it's like sometimes, I don't know if you guys notice this, if you put too much, you're like, you're trying to go way all the way out. Ooh. At least for me, I'm speaking for myself. The food don't really, it might look bomb, but it don't really have that good taste you was looking for, expecting, right? When you're on time, and you're like when you're racing, you're on a race against time. See how I get into my conversation? I'm just like staring at myself. When you're on a race against time, like I am all the time, you're like, the hell was I talking about again? No, I'm not. But I used to get high. I think that's why I've been forgetting. What was I saying? Oh, excuse me. Oh, yeah. So like, if you're just trying to get done, season your stuff up good and just cook and just try to get things done in and out of the kitchen fast. Set up and start mukbang. I notice that when your food come out the best. So yeah. This weekend. And then me and BK are gonna be on, I think he said Thursday evening. So probably between, oh, I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna try to get on by 7:30, 8 o'clock. That's Eastern time. So if I remember, it's not no special event. It's just they might have double money on the casino heist. So it's special for us, right? It's not gonna be like the Halloween event, but nonetheless, it's gonna be fun, and I'm excited because I totally did a whole teardown on my PS4 and cleaned it. So I ordered a whole PS4. It's for PS4, PS5, Xbox, and Nintendo or something like that. Oh, you know what? Let me show you guys what it looks like. Take a sip. Cheers again. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's drink. Hold on. I got more? Yeah. Let's just get a top up real quick. A little spritz. A little vodka. Proper cheers right there. Oh, this would look good with some cherries in there. Maybe a little wedge of pineapple and a tangerine. In the hot tropics, feet in the sand, white sand, the water's coming in. You're just chilling, the sun's beaming down on you, but it's not too hot. Nice breeze blowing, you got one of these. A little umbrella drink with some fruit. What? On the beach, open fire, cooking some seafood, fresh caught, like straight from the sea. Into a little bit of seasoning, straight onto the fire, onto the plate. Sides, sauces, you know, that's, hey, that's what I want to do. Anyway, so it looked like this. 15 bucks, you guys, and there's special tools in there, especially the torque. The torque is it's got the little excuse me, hollow tipped, kind of, if you want to say it, on the inside. Here, I'll show you, so that you can get the screws. Because see, PlayStation's smart. They don't really sell these in the stores because they want you to, excuse me, damn, they want you to send your shit to them to fix it, so you can pay 50 to 80 bucks and then send it back when you can just pay 15 bucks and do it yourself. So you see it got the little hole in there right there. Let me see if you guys can see it. So this is what you need. You need the, damn, you can't focus in on that. Anyway, it's got the little hole in there. Because those screws in there are like that for the PS4, right? So that's called a torque. A Torx Torx security screwdriver T8H. Just in case you're inquiring. But this thing is pretty dope. It comes with all kinds of stuff, man. I cleaned that PS4. You don't hear no humming in the background, right? All you hear the non-copywritten tunes in the background. But that little fan that somebody was like, "What's that noise in the background?" That's the first. I've only had one comment like that before, maybe two, where you can hear it. And then I had to have the fan blowing on it, and that fan makes hella noise because it's dirty as hell, need to be cleaned too. So it's just like, damn, dude, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, so long story short, I cleaned it out. It's good to go. I should be able to jump on and play any game now without it burning out. Because the last thing you want to do is be streaming and then your shit burn out on you. It's not good. And mind you, I've had that for 6.5 to 7 years. Steak, baby, steak. Mm. Yo, let me show you guys this book. So you remember I got this book, right? Snoop Dogg's cookbook, right? Yo, this brother is hilarious, dude. Hilarious, dog. I just, you know, and he used to be my favorite artist, man, until, oh, man, he sold his soul and murder was a case, dude. That just, to this day, I still trip out, dude. I used to ignore it. Because when I was living on that, like, that street life, I tried to just, like, I didn't care, like, just like, well, it is what it is. And I was bad acting too here and there, but anyway, this book is dope though. This book and his signature is pretty sick too. But I want to see. It says Sticky Wings, and he's got a name for him. I'll find it in 1 second. Let me see. We be in school right now, yo. School with Snoopy Eats and Big Snoop Dogg. Look at that fridge though. You got the hot sauces up here, ketchup, some alcoholic beverages, some dressing, some veggies, dill pickles, orange juice, Moet, eggs, mustard, ranch, milk, barbecue sauce. Everything you'll find in our fridge going up. Oh, these are his favorite spots, like Roscoe's, Fat Burger, the Serving Spoon, the W Hotel, Randy's Donuts. Oh, it even tells you where it's from. Okay, so Roscoe's apparently, I think it's in, I know it's in Long Beach, or right outside of Long Beach, because I've been to that one. And Randy's Donuts right there is in Inglewood. I think Inglewood. I was up to no good. When you see the giant donut, you know you're in the eye. Yeah, okay, so that's an Inglewood, Randy's Donuts. If you guys, whoever don't know Randy's Donuts, and I don't know where you've been living at, but in Snoop's video for What's My Name, the big huge donut that he was dancing in front of, or on top of, or inside of, I forgot which one. But I would love to try it. I love donuts, man. Like a good donut. Like we used to have Winchell's donuts and Yum Yum donuts. Krispy Kreme is the best one so far now out here. But growing up in California, that's what we had. Mama's corn muffins. Okay, let me just, sorry guys. I'll take a couple more bites. I'm actually kind of full right now. But I'll show you the thickness gravy. The biscuits and the thickness gravy. I want some. That's what I need to do on here. I was thinking about it the other day. What was it? Last night, I think. A soul food mukbang. What? Oh yeah, a nice soul food mukbang for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Ribs, cornbread, sweet candied yams, some greens, either collards, whatever. Look at this, Billionaire's bacon. Yo, check out this brother's bacon though. Look here, let me show you. Look at this, dude. Look at that. Yo, don't that look like some millionaire bacon right there? I mean, Snoop could do it too. He is a millionaire. Right? That looks wicked, huh? And then what else we got? Look at him just kicking Caxine cool, cuz. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. A lottie dottie. We likes to party. Should be geared up too. But he's just chilling like that. I don't know. He's hella old now though, man. That stress getting to his head. Like, Lord forgive me. Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Okay, let me find. Holy shit. Look at that. OG fried bologna sandwich. Look. Look at that. That's a sandwich. That's a sandwich challenge right there. Look at that, dude. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 sandwiches. Barbecue potato chips on the bottom layer. Like he's got it down to a science, dude. Like this is just that's a hood genius right there, dog. Barbecue chips. I remember Rez was like, damn, Snoop, I love barbecue chips. Alright, let me just find out. I want to see those chicken wings blew my mind when I seen them. Spaghetti de la Hood. Damn, that looks wicked too. Yo, check it out. The spaghetti one? That looks fire too, huh? Alright, so he's got mac and cheese in here. He's got drinks in here to make. He's got salmon. He's got lobster. I mean, you name it, it's here. Ho ho. What is this called? Yardbird? I don't know. I think that's a Y. And then he's got the chicken and waffles. Oh, hold on. Here's a full-blown picture of it. He got his fried chicken wings right here. But, excuse me. And shout out to Lena for this, because she didn't show me this, but she did request it last year. And this is Snoop's version of it. And look how beautiful that picture is. I want this on a poster. I can put on my wall. The OG chicken and waffles. So. Isn't that wicked, though? That just looks amazing. And then he's got his like Asian style food, his Mexican style food. Filet mignon, baby got back ribs with beans and just bread. I mean, he got pie. Oh, look at this. Bow Wow brownies and ice cream. Yo, I want this right nizzle. Look. Oh. It's the big Snoopy deal double jizzle for shizzle. Look, he got the ice cuisine over the Brizzoni right there with the gold spizzoon, cuz Woo! I need to go to the stove, but it's too late though. Oh well. So, oh, you know what? I got a little bit of ice cream. I got like 4 or 5 spoons of ice cream left in an older container in the back of my freezer. I'm gonna go mess with that. But anyway, yeah, I just want to show you guys. They got drinks too. It looks delicious. Yeah, that's just it's got a lot of recipes in here, man. A lot. Check out the book. It's called, if you want to get it, From Crook to Cook. Snoop Dogg. Platinum Recipes from the Boss Dog's Kitchen. You also got a season 2 of Martha Stewart. That's a good show, man. I seen the season 1, man, and I mean Ice Cube came through and a couple other celebrities, man. It's pretty dope. All right, y'all. So anyway, this potato was delicious, super filling. So you know, you guys want to. Not too expensive meal. Like the steak was on sale, so I picked up 3 nice size steaks for 17 bucks. sauce is no joke. So yeah, anyway, whew. Crack one of these open for y'all. I like to go like this. Put the bag upside down. Shake it up real good, because all your favorite part on the bottom of the bag goes all the way through the chips. The kettle chips, they're really good, man. This flavor is amazing. I usually don't really, Miss Vicky's is good. I usually don't go crazy for them, but these ones right here, yeah, I'm gonna buy a couple big bags and keep them. Unbeatable crunch. Spicy dill pickle. It's got a nice flavor. Dude at work was like, they're spicy. They're spicy. In my head, I was like, no, dude. White dude, right? I'm like, ain't spicy, dude. You don't know what spicy is. Dude, black pepper kicks your ass. The hell are you talking about? Spicy dinner tonight. Good flavor for me. Probably kills his ass. You probably burn on the toilet right now. Take a bite of the cupcake for y'all? Okay, I can hear y'all. Man, Snoopy, you gonna do a dessert? I'm gonna do a dessert right now. Just real quick, just a little something, because I'm craving for it. It's a classic cupcake. It's the last time you seen one of these. These are addictive. Just with cold chocolate milk, almond breeze, ice cold water. I don't really care for chocolate and juice mix. Whatever you want. Anyway. I'm going to relax. I'll see you guys live this weekend. And if I decide to do another video, it's going to be a toss-up between Taco Bell. I love my Taco Bell. You guys know how much I love my Taco Bell. Or Nashville chicken, baby. Lone Star got a Phantom restaurant. Inside their restaurant, you gotta call them, say, hey, is the Phantom restaurant open? And if so, I'm coming. Place my order right now. I want the 9-piece spiciest version you have of the Nashville hot chicken. Put a little extra sauce on it on the side. Either way, it don't matter, baby girl. I'm coming through. You feel me? And I'm coming through right now. So make sure you start to prep it, because it will take me about 10 minutes to get there. But I'm gonna sit in the park. I have me a little smoke. You know what I'm saying? And swoop through like that right there. Ugh, food, the little dip. Oh, it's over, dude. It's over. I can't wait. Anyway, love you guys, man, from the bottom of my heart. Stay safe out there. Be blessed. Keep it crispy. Keep it banging. Until next time, take it easy. All right, you know.